Hello, today I will show you how to find your parked car using Google Maps on your Android. So let's get started. So firstly, open Google Maps and look for the small blue dot. It's your current location. Just simply tap on it and here you will have option of save parking. Now you created a parking location and here you can add details like parking level or a name or even set a timer if parking is meter limited. And also you can share the parking location with somebody, and to head out back to your car, just simply tap directions and you will come back to your car. So now you know how to create a parking location for your own. So if you found this tutorial useful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.